Oh my goodness. So what'd you tell him?
I was really upset.
Right.
So I told him that wasn't flying with me.
Well, I'm really glad you put him in his place.
And
talking about places, yeah, I've been nibbling at another piece of bread, but the bread that they sell here, it's amazing.
It's delicious. I like to take small bites and just savor it.
You know, you're right, but today it's so good. I almost want to take it down in one bite. You think I can?
Bite. Put your money where your mouth is. Let's see.
Let's try.
You need help? You need help? I don't think you could do it. This guy bit off more than he could chew. He offered to do something he was not capable of doing. This idiom comes from back in the old days when cowboys used to chew huge pieces of tobacco, and it was so large that they could not keep it in their mouths.
And truth is that as people, we've never stopped trying to do more than we actually can. And so we're always falling in the trap of biting off more than we can chew.
That's right.
Let's look at some examples.
What's wrong, Jose?
I am beat.
You look tired, man.
It's because I am. I've been working 2 full-time jobs and a part-timer because I'm, keeping my kids in school,
That's nuts, man. If you do the math, that's 20 hours a day. You're getting 4 hours of sleep, if you're lucky. You need to slow down, man. Even machines need a rest.
Yeah, you're right. I think I'm just biting off more than I could chew. I think the smarter way to go is asking for a loan at the bank and paying it off comfortably.
That's the smart route.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
I'm training.
All right.
But for what? For a marathon, man.
A marathon? Wow, buddy. I've never run a marathon. So, when's the big day? I want to go cheer you on.
Right freaking now.
Whoa. How long have you been training?
Since yesterday. But it's all mind over matter, man.
Omar, do you realize what you just said?
Yeah, it's mind over matter.
No. Okay. Even though that phrase is well-intentioned and it's motivational, you're biting off more than you could chew. You need to train longer. From one day to another, 42 kilometers. Yeah.
You're right. I'm biting off more than I can chew.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, wow, Jose. You look bummed out.
It's because I am, my friend. I am.
What's going on?
I offered Sarah that I could look after her Rottweiler for a month.
I remember Sarah, the girl you were digging, huh?
Yes, and but I think that in the name of love, I bit off more than I could chew.
Oh, really? How so?
Well, look, I thought looking after a dog was easier, but this is a big dog. It's a physical dog. I need to walk it at least 3 times a day for 45 minutes each walk. Besides that, I got to feed it twice.
Right.
Also, I got to dedicate some, quality time with it. I got to pet it and, treat it nicely. And then I also got to look after my stuff to make sure that dog doesn't chew or pee on it.
Yeah, I think you definitely bit off more than you could chew.
I did, man. I don't know. I'm worried. I've been late to work 2 times this week.
I heard Sarah moved to Spain. If you liked today's video, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people interested in improving their English find this content. I really don't think that's asking you to bite off more than you could chew.
That's right. And also, when we make our little dialogues and stuff, we like to make sure that it's full of just rich vocabulary and expressions and idioms. So if you find any of these and you think, oh wow, that's really cool, please use it in the comment section. Write down a few sentences, show us how you could use it, and we'd love to give you some feedback.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.